Hello everybody, you're listening to Mark Ling, and in this video we're going to look at how to record affiliate videos. So the first thing we want to look at is, well, why record an affiliate video? Why wouldn't you want to just send people an email or make a web page that just links to an affiliate offer and not have video in it? Well, that's all well and good, and you can make great sales through email marketing directly to a web page, and you can, and I do it all the time, and you can make great money from your regular affiliate pages having no video on the page at all. However, sometimes video can help to serve a few extra functions. One is it brings a bit more of a degree of realism to the promotion being made. People can actually hear your voice. If you're recording a video that's not PowerPoint slides, let's say you're in front of the camera, then they can even see you in front of the camera, and that can build a bit of extra trust. It can be more engaging, and it can be easier to get them to listen to all the benefits of a particular product when it's in video format than when it's in written format. It can be quicker to put together. Sometimes writing, let's say you're offering a whole lot of bonuses for a particular product, sometimes it can actually take a long time to write out all the benefits of each of those bonuses and put that together into a really well put together web page. But it can be a lot easier just recording a 5-minute video where you just tell people off the cuff what's in each particular bonus, for instance. Sometimes you might want to even interview a product owner on video and give away a bunch of valuable free information, and then at the very end of the video I'll link to their particular product. I'll show you an example of one of those at the end of this video. So there's a lot of great reasons for recording affiliate videos, and often they lead to higher conversions as far as sales are concerned. And so I mean, you know, there's a lot of good reasons for recording affiliate videos. So there are two main types of affiliate videos. One is videos based on a PowerPoint presentation, and the other is videos where you're actually in front of the camera and people actually see your face. Right now, you're currently looking at an example of a PowerPoint presentation. So right now, you are actually in the middle of a PowerPoint presentation. And to record your PowerPoint presentation, the best software for this is Camtasia, which is what I use. And you can get that from camtasia.com. Or you can use ScreenFlow if you're on a Macintosh. Now, the good news is that there is a free alternative to PowerPoint. If you don't want to spend money on Microsoft PowerPoint, then you can just use Impress from openoffice.org, and you can get that for free. And a free alternative to Camtasia that you can use is Cam Studio from camstudio.org. So those are options that you can do. I happen to use Camtasia with PowerPoint, but you might want to use those free alternative options, and that's fine too. Now, when recording your PowerPoint presentation, audio quality is really important, and the best low-priced microphone that I can recommend is an Audio-Technica USB condenser microphone, and you can get that from tinyurl.com/AT-microphone. And it's really important that if you're shopping around for microphones, that you strongly consider this particular model, because it's relatively low priced and the audio quality is the best that I've seen by any microphone within that price range by a country mile. In fact, it's the only microphone that I've found that has reasonably good audio without having to plug it into an M-box or some sort of external device to condense the audio so that it sounds right. So it's really important. And just to give you an idea of what it sounds like anyway, I'm using an Audio-Technica USB condenser microphone right now in this particular audio recording. And here's a photo of what one of those microphones looks like. Okay, and I highly recommend that particular microphone because it's a relatively low cost. Especially when I compare it to other microphones that I've bought in the past, where I've spent hundreds of dollars on the microphone, more hundreds of dollars on the actual like an M-box and Pro Tools and so forth to get good quality audio, and yet all of a sudden it's like, oh, I can get it almost the same quality sound, pretty professional quality sound for for a low price. And the only reason why the sound that you're listening to may not be 100% professional is just simply because I'm going to compress the audio so that this video takes up less bandwidth. But it's just going to be I mean, I could definitely save it as a higher quality audio file if I wanted to. And it's anyway, that's the microphone I'm using for this particular video, if you're wondering. To record your video in Camtasia, you simply click on a button that says record the screen on the left hand side, and then make sure that you check to make sure that your correct microphone is selected in the audio settings, because the default might not actually be your Audio-Technica USB microphone. Even though you've plugged it in, it might be recording audio straight from, say, your laptop or from somewhere else, in which case it might not sound right, and that's because it's not actually recording from your microphone. So make sure you double check that. To record yourself speaking in front of the camera, I recommend using a Kodak Zi8 video camera. And as you can see at Amazon.com, at the time of recording this video, they are $122.49. They're on special. In the shops, they're usually about $180. That's US dollars, so in other countries they might be more expensive. But they're relatively low cost for a video camera. They produce very good quality video. And the reason why I choose the Kodak Zi8 camera instead of other types of video cameras is because they've got an external microphone jack, alright? And a lot of the other flip type cameras, these small cameras that fit in your pocket that are relatively low price, they only record audio from the actual camera itself. At least at the time of recording this video, that's the case. So make sure that you look out for a Kodak Zi8, unless you've already got a high quality video camera, that's fine, but this is a relatively low price, yet you get great quality video recorded with them, and it's got an external microphone jack. Now, the only problem with the microphone jack is that the Audio-Technica microphone that I showed you before, that'll be fine for recording Camtasia videos. It won't be fine for recording audio to your Kodak Zi8. You actually need to have a microphone, I think it's called an analog microphone, I'm not 100% sure, that has a jack that looks like that, as opposed to a USB plug. So any $20 to $30 regular microphone seems to work pretty good though, and that's what I've gone along with to go with my Kodak Zi8. So you may want to just get one of these Sony microphones or something like that for $20 to $30 to go with your Zi8 video camera. When it comes to editing your movie that you record on your video camera, I happen to use Sony Vegas Movie Studio. And at the time of recording this video, the Movie Studio HD Platinum Edition is $95 US dollars. And there's a special going on the version below this version, and it's going for about $45. And you only really need that version. You don't even need this version. But anyway, so what you do is you drag and drop your video from your Kodak Zi8. It's got a USB plug on the Zi8, so you just plug that straight into your computer, and you just drag and drop it into Sony Vegas Movie Studio, and then you can edit the video. You can like cut out the start and the end or any bits that you don't like, and then you just click a button that says produce video as, and then you make sure you save it as a WMV file. Then you can open up that file, the WMV file. Once you've produced it, you can open that up in Camtasia, and then you just click produce for the web. And then I recommend setting it as this, using the settings 30 frames per second, MP4, bitrate encoding 268 kilobytes per second, and you can see that on the screen there. In fact, that's actually looking smaller than I thought it was going to look. I'll just click on that and enlarge that, and you can see I've clicked produce video as, then I clicked on custom production settings, and then after that I click on, and as you can see I selected MP4, frame rate 30, 268 kbps, and it's in bitrate encoding mode. Alright, and that's it. And if you want to see an example of an affiliate video that I recorded using a Kodak ZI8, which was quickly edited using Sony Vegas Movie Studio, and then it was outputted in Camtasia, just as I stated there, then go to tinyurl.com/marksvid, and you can have a look at one affiliate video that I recorded there. And that particular affiliate video, what I did was I interviewed a guy that had on video in front of the camera that happened to have a product that taught men how to attract women by using magic tricks. He's got some interesting ways of starting conversations with women and getting them laughing and stuff using magic tricks, and I got him demonstrating a few of them in front of the camera, and then at the end of the video we promoted his product. So that was just an example of an affiliate video using a Kodak ZI8 camera. My findings are that affiliate videos tend to work in general. I tend to do better when I actually just do them as Camtasia slides, PowerPoint slides, like what I'm doing right now, while I'm voicing them over. And I think that's because it's a little bit easier to keep the structure there, and it's easier to spell out the benefits of a product in front of people, and so forth, and that works out well. But I like being in front of the video camera as well to mix things up so people know I'm a real person, and also because it means it just has a better interaction level if what I'm doing is I'm interviewing somebody else, and in which case that happens to work very well too. But you can't always get someone else to interview, in which case sometimes it's better just to do what I'm doing right now and just record a PowerPoint presentation when you record an affiliate video. Well, I hope you enjoyed this particular video. Check out the other video that I've got on the screen now, just by typing tinyurl.com/marksvid into your browser, and you can see another example of an affiliate video that I recorded using a Kodak ZI8 video camera. Alright guys, bye for now.